Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring QVR hair. Big thank you to QVR hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So the look that I'm currently rocking is a crochet full install. This is a no leave out crochet style. I have 5 packs of this beautiful tri-color ombre hair. I will have all the links and details in the description box below, so be sure to check the description box for all details regarding this hair and any products that may be mentioned or used in this video. So I started off with some straight backs. I didn't do them too neat. I have this really curly texture. It kind of gives Yankee twist a little bit. It is a very curly texture, and what I love most about this is the color. It goes from a nice dark root to this really vibrant blonde at the very end, and I think it is perfect for the spring. So what I do to start is I use this crochet hack that I did see floating around here on these YouTube streets, and I take my crochet hook and I stick it under my braid, through the braid, and I pull that first piece of hair all the way down and through the front of the braid. That just helps with better concealment in the front, so it's not so obvious that you have a crochet install, and if your hair is full enough, you get that total seamless crochet look. So I do that to start every single row, and then once I do that, I go in and I start to crochet the rest of the pieces. So for that, I take my crochet hook, I stick it through the braid or under the braid. I open the latch, and that's where I put the link in by the string. Close the latch, and then I pull it back through the braid just enough to get that string through, and then I take the tail of the crochet hair or the end of the crochet hair and I pull that through the string hook. That gives me a nice loop method, so it secures the crochet. You can double tie this if you prefer, but I do not double tie my crochet installs. It's just what works best for you. So I do that throughout the entire head, and I'm going to jump around a lot in this video because I tried to show you different angles so you can see how I do it in the front, the side, and the back, so you get a full view of the entire install. What I like about this hair is the fact that this is human hair that can be reused. You can absolutely reuse this hair for more crochet styles. Another thing that I picked up was that you can use this hair afterwards to do boho braids. There's a lot of different styles that you can use this hair to create. You don't have to just use it for crochet styles. But the fact that it's human hair, you're going to get longevity. You can put products in this. You can wash this. Being that it's human hair, you can do everything that you would do to human hair. Even if you wanted to add heat, you can add heat. So I'm going to let you watch me do a little bit more of this style, and then I will jump back in towards the end of the video. Okay, I'm back and we're getting to the very end. So another thing that I realized as I was well into this install is that you do not have to place your crochet links that close together. You can actually space them out, especially with this texture hair, because when you're done with the style, you can tease this out and fluff this hair out, which is going to cause the hair to expand. It's going to camouflage your cornrows more. You don't have to place them that close together. You can definitely spread them out. That's just something that I wanted to mention to you. So now that I am finishing up, I am going to trim this hair down a little because I wanted a little bit more shape to it. I really wanted it to mimic like a, you know, a natural fro type look. So I did try to round out this hair and fluff it out. I also show you another way that you can wear this hair. I did style it in a half up, half down, because you do have versatility with this. Depending on how you lay your foundation, which are your braids, that's going to determine where you can wear it, how you can part it. This particular style, I love me like a non-existent part and more so to the side. So kind of like that flip over look. I love the way that looked with these type of styles, but I did want to see what this looked like in a half up, half down, and I did that. And I think I like that even more. And what I really like is that you don't see anything. Like, I'm going to give you a full 360 of this style. And even in the half up, half down, everything is fully concealed in the back. So there are endless styles when it comes to the crochet installs. I think that's one thing people really like about them is the versatility, and you still have air to your scalp. So your hair and scalp can still breathe. And I think that is perfect for hot weather, warm weather, even like a vacation. If you're a crochet girl, crochet styles, there are some fire crochet styles that you can wear on a vacation, on a trip. So you're not really into braids, I feel like crochet is another alternative for protective styles. So I will have all the links down in the description box. I also have a playlist of other crochet styles that I have done on my channel, along with the other videos in which I've worked with QVR hair. I've also tried their seamless clip-ins and I absolutely love those down. Okay? So big thank you to QVR Hair for sponsoring today's video. Big shout out to you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video if you want to see more. I truly appreciate it. And I hope you guys are enjoying your day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. Yeah.